Hiroshima New Transit Line 1, also known as the Astrom Line, is a rubber-tired transit system operated by Hiroshima Rapid Transit in Hiroshima, Japan. Astrom opened on August 20, 1994 for the 1994 Asian Games in Hiroshima. The line connects between central Hiroshima and Hiroshima Big Arch, which was the main stadium of the Asian Games. On March 14, 2015, a new station, Shin-Hakushima, opened to make a new connection between the Astrom line and GR lines. Rolling stock are 6000 series 6-car EMUs and 1000 series 6-car EMU. As of the 1st April 2016, services on the line are operating using a fleet of 23 6-car 6000 series train sets and 1 6-car 1000 series. The entire fleet of 24 sets is scheduled to be replaced with a new fleet of 6-car trains delivered in 2 batches, with the first fleet of 11 sets scheduled to be introduced between fiscal 2019 and fiscal 2025. Priority seating is provided in each car and wheelchair spaces are provided in the end cars. When the line originally opened in 1994, it had 21 stations, of which Omachi provided the line's only transfer with a GR West line, the Keibe line, on March 14, 2015. Shin-Hakushima opened as an infill station between Hakushima and Johoku in order to provide a transfer point with the Sanyo main line. Total number of the stations is 22. Total system length is 18.4 kilometers. Astrom Line is the new electric transit system that runs from the center of Hiroshima city to the suburbs. It departs from Hondori in downtown Hiroshima and terminates at Koiki-koen-mae station. The Big R Stadium, home to Hiroshima's Sanfrecce football club, is near the terminal station, making this line busy on match days. Using the Astrom line as a means of transportation is one of the most popular means of transportation in Hiroshima while visiting some of its tourist hotspots. The line covers 22 stations, with some of the important stops on the way being: the Hondori station, popular because of the Hiroshima Peace Memorial and the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park. Kencho-Mae and Johoku are both close to the Hiroshima Castle. The Kamiyacho station is close to the Hiroshima City Eisa Zoological Park. The Chorakuji station provides easy access to the Hiroshima City Transport Museum. The Koiki-koen-mae is a terminal station located close to the Hiroshima Big R Stadium, which was the main stadium for the Asian Games hosted in 1994. There are 2 kinds of tickets that can be purchased, namely normal and regular fare. For children under the age of 10, special discounts are available. The trains begin at 6 AM in the morning and run till midnight every day.